students of 7th class. This is Shruti. Today I'll teach you your chapter first of geography. Your chapter is environment. This is very interesting chapter and you have to read it very clearly and deeply. Okay, you have to clear your all points. Okay, let's start your chapter. Your first question will be, what is environment? Okay, what is environment? Whatever you see in your surrounding area is called environment. Okay, whatever you see in your surrounding area is called environment. You have to note down this point. Okay, whatever you see in your surrounding area is called environment. Okay, now what is this word? Okay, what is this word? You have to know about this word clearly. Environment is a French word. Okay, what is a French word. Okay, it comes from France. Okay, and its meaning is neighborhood. What is neighborhood? Neighborhood in the sense brotherhood, neighborhood. Okay, you have to live together. Okay, neighborhood. What is the meaning of environment? Neighborhood. Okay, it is environment. Okay, and what is definition of environment? If you ask this question to your teacher, you have to know that what is environment. You will get the answer. Whatever you see in your surrounding area is called environment. Okay, I'll repeat again and again. Okay, I'm repeating. Whatever you see in your surrounding area is called environment. If you will see your environment, you will find two things normally. Okay, first thing is that natural environment, second is human made environment. Okay, natural environment, whatever you get from the nature is called natural environment, and whatever you are making, you are creating something new by the natural resources, okay, is called human made environment. That will be for your need. Okay, and that will be cause of change. Okay, cause of changing of environment. Okay, let's take example of natural environment. Okay, first example will be mountains, rivers, tree, animal, etc. These are the example of natural environment. Second is human made environment. First is road, second car, third book. These are the example of human made environment. Okay, now you got this point. Okay, secondly thing is that now you will think, why is our environment changing day by day? Okay, that is your question. Okay, why is our environment changing day by day? Okay, then you will get that our environment changing day by day because of our basic need. Okay, because of our basic need. That's why we are changing environment. Okay, you want some new places. If you want some new place for living, because our population increasing day by day. Okay, now we want new place. Okay, now we want new place. Then we will have to clean the forest. We will have to clean the forest. Okay, that is bad thing, but we have to do clean the forest. This is bad thing, but we will done it. Okay, so that is the changing of environment. Okay, that will be deforestation. Okay, why is our environment changing? Because of our basic need. Okay, our environment is changing day by day. Okay, now let's take component of environment. Okay, that new topic is. Okay, component of environment is natural. Second component is human made. Third component is human. Okay, third is human component. Okay, all three components are helping you to understand your environment. Okay, let's take some example. Okay, let's understand components one by one. Okay, let's take first is natural environment. Okay, natural environment is whatever we get from our nature is called natural environment. Okay, these are the example of air, our atmosphere, water, hydrosphere. Okay, land, lithosphere. This is the part of our earth. Air, water, land. Okay, these are the example of natural environment. Okay, second is that human made. Okay, human made environment is whatever we are creating by some change in natural environment is called human made environment. Like by the deforestations we are creating, we are building some buildings. Okay, and park also for our playing. These are the need also. Okay, next is bridge also a need. Road our need. Human made is also creating these things for their basic need. Okay, these are the changing in environment. Okay, industries, momentum, all are the human made environment. Okay, so these are the example of human made environment. Human component is that whatever human actually exists in itself is called human. Okay, human environment. Okay, individual person, families, human creating their families, human also creating families, and families creating a community, and community also have their need a religion, and religion also need, and humans are also need educations for their achievement of all goals, and economics of achievement for achievement. Okay, you want to fulfill your need. Okay, you want to fulfill your demands, you will have to strong your economic conditions. Okay, political education are very important in this area. Okay, by the political education you can develop your country also. Okay, you can develop your India's country also, India also. Okay, that's why it's very important. Okay, so you have to develop yourself. That's why you have to develop yourself, because human is a very big thing which is creating a particular environment. Okay, now you will have to understand also one thing also. Okay, what is that? First thing is that again you have to making a definitions also. Okay, our conversation you understand that the place, people, things and nature. Four things: place, people, things, nature. All four things that surrounded any living organism is called environment. Okay, you will see in your environment two things also: biotic and abiotic environment. Okay, biotic, what is? Living thing is biotic, like animal, plant, human being. Okay, these are the biotic environment. Okay, abiotic environment, what is? The world of non-living things. Non-living thing in the sense table, chair, etc. Books. Okay, these are the example of abiotic. Okay, these are the example of abiotic. You can understand our environment in also environment categorized in two areas: biotic and abiotic. Biotic is the living things and abiotic is the non-living things. Living things is animal, plant and human beings. Abiotic things is table, chair, book, etc. Okay, now you got your point. Okay, natural environment I'll discuss with you in the next video. That will be part 2 video. Okay, then stay home, stay safe.